Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back on our tram ride. You are now off to visit Waterfall Aviary, the largest walking aviary in our park. To your left, the birds of prey. These birds used their superb eyesight, strong beaks, and sharp talons to hunt. Here, you will also find the majestic Andean condor, largest in the vulture family. Catch these birds in action at the Kings of the Sky show at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily at the Hawk Arena. To your right, Jungle Jewels, where you will find many South American birds, including the brightly-colored Sancarias. In the wild, they are trapped for their feathers and the illegal pet trade. Chill out at the Bird Discovery Center and step into the fascinating world of birds. Look out for the flightless cassowary and emu on your left. The solitary cassowary is easily identified by its tusk on its head. The emu can grow as tall as 1.9 meters. It is the second tallest bird in the world. To your right, the Pelican Cove. Join Pelican Chit Chat at 2 p.m. daily to watch how pelicans feed. We are now approaching Waterfall Aviary. Go bird watching in the aviary and try to spot as many birds as you can. Participate in a feeding session to enjoy a close encounter with the feathered kind. Be sure to visit one of the world's tallest man-made waterfalls for photo opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have arrived at Tram Station. Remember to take all your belongings with you and keep your tickets for the next part of the journey. Thank you.